If someone hired me tomorrow as a contact center AI specialist, what would I do during my first 90 days? That's exactly what I want to walk you through today. This isn't about replacing customer service representatives. It's about helping them work more efficiently, improving the customer experience, and using AI to solve real business problems. Let's get started. Days 1 to 30. Understand before you optimize. One mistake I think many organizations make is trying to improve AI before fully understanding the customer journey. If I joined a new company, my first priority wouldn't be changing anything. It would be learning. I'd spend time with customer service agents. I'd listen to recorded calls. I'd read chat transcripts. I'd review email conversations. I'd sit with supervisors. I'd ask one simple question: what are customers contacting us about most often? Then I'd organize those contacts into categories. For example, where is my order? How do I start a return? I received the wrong item. My product is defective. Product recommendations. Sizing questions. Warranty questions. Once I knew the top reasons customers contacted us, I'd rank them by 3 factors. First, volume. How often does this happen? Second, complexity. Can AI realistically solve this without human assistance? Third, business impact. How much time and money could be saved by improving this process? That gives us a prioritized roadmap instead of guessing where to start. I'd learn the knowledge base. AI is only as good as the information it has access to. I'd review product information, return policies, shipping information, warranty documentation, frequently asked questions, internal support procedures. If the knowledge base is outdated or inconsistent, the AI will produce inconsistent answers. One of my first goals would be improving the quality of the information before trying to improve the AI. Garbage in. Garbage out. Days 31 to 60. Improve the AI experience. Now that I understand the business, I'd begin optimizing the AI. The first thing I'd review is AI performance. I'd ask questions like, which conversations end successfully? Where do customers abandon the conversation? When does AI escalate unnecessarily? Where is customer frustration highest? Those answers become opportunities. Maybe the AI struggles with return policies. Maybe product recommendations aren't accurate. Maybe customers ask questions that aren't covered in the knowledge base. Instead of guessing, I'd use real customer interactions to guide improvements. Every failed conversation is valuable feedback. Reduce customer effort. One of my biggest goals would be reducing customer effort. Imagine a customer asks, where is my order? The AI shouldn't simply respond with, please contact customer service. Instead, I'd want the AI to verify the customer, locate the order, check shipment status, estimate delivery, offer tracking information, provide self-service options whenever possible. If the issue becomes more complex, then escalate to a live agent. The easier we make common tasks, the happier customers become. Improve agent productivity. AI isn't only for customers. It should help employees too. Imagine a customer finally reaches an agent. Before the agent even says hello, AI has already summarized the conversation. It identifies customer issue, order history, previous contacts, suggested resolution, relevant knowledge articles. Instead of spending several minutes gathering information, the agent can immediately focus on solving the customer's problem. That's a huge productivity gain. Days 61 to 90. Measure success. Technology doesn't matter unless it creates measurable results. I'd create a dashboard tracking key performance indicators. Some of the metrics I'd monitor include customer satisfaction score, first contact resolution, average handle time, AI containment rate, escalation rate, knowledge article effectiveness, resolution time, Repeat contact rate. Weekly reviews of these metrics would help identify what's improving and what still needs attention. AI governance matters. One topic that doesn't get enough attention is AI governance. Not every customer interaction should stay with AI. Certain situations should immediately transfer to a human. Examples include payment disputes, fraud concerns, highly emotional customers, accessibility needs, legal issues, complex warranty situations. AI should know its limitations. Good governance protects both customers and the business. Training the team. Technology succeeds when people embrace it. I'd work closely with supervisors and agents to demonstrate how AI supports, not replaces, their work. Training would focus on using AI suggestions effectively, providing feedback when AI gets something wrong, understanding escalation procedures, building trust in the system. The best AI implementations involve people improving the technology every day. Continuous improvement. One thing I've learned throughout my career is that improvement never stops. Customer behavior changes. Products change. Policies change. AI must continue learning alongside the business. I'd establish a regular review process where customer feedback, agent feedback, AI performance, and business metrics all feed into ongoing optimization. Small improvements every week eventually become major competitive advantages. My philosophy: if there's one thing I'd want an employer to know, it's this: I don't see AI as a replacement for great customer service. I see it as a way to remove repetitive work so people can focus on the conversations that truly require empathy, judgment, and human expertise. Technology should make people more effective, not less important. That's the kind of AI implementation I'd want to be part of. If you were building an AI-powered contact center, what would your first priority be? Would you focus on faster response times? Better customer satisfaction? Reducing repetitive work? Or improving the employee experience? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy practical AI, business strategy, workflow automation, and real-world applications of artificial intelligence, consider subscribing. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.